Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of web designing, I'm going to illustrate lecture number 25. I have already uploaded 24 lectures in this series and I hope you have watched those videos. So, today I am going to start with a new topic and I have already discussed many of the basic tags and basic elements of HTML. Today I am going to start table. So here let's start with a new file. I am just going to new file here. So as you can see, I have just created a new file and now I'm going to save it. Control S, and now I'm going to save it with the name lecture 25.html in my respective folder. So the basic tags you know very well. HTML, head, title. Let's say the title be table example 1. Title, head will be closed, and now we will start the body. And so the main thing, when we want to create a table, there is a predefined tag for table, and that is table. If we want to create a 2 by 2 table, that is, a table consists of 2 rows and 2 columns. So as I want to create a table with 2 rows and 2 columns, it would be something like this. The horizontal are the rows. So here are 2 rows, first one and the second one. And the vertical one is the column, first column and the second column. So this kind of structure is to be made on the web page. Here, this is the first row and this is the first column. And this is the second column of the first row. So this one is the first row with 2 columns. And this one is the second row with 2 columns respectively. So now to create this structure, so first of all we will take tr tag. Tr defines the table row. Tr stands for row. So as we need 2 rows, I am going to create 2 TRs. The opening tag of TR and the respective closing tag. The opening tag of TR and the respective closing tag. So as we need 2 rows, I have created 2 TRs. Now as we need 2 divisions in a row, that is the first division and the second division. As there are 2 divisions in both of the rows, so we need first division and second division. For this we use TD tag. TD stands for table division. Suppose I am writing here row 1, column 1, and now closing the TD tag. Again TD for the second division. For first row, row 1, column 2, and now closing the TD tag. Similarly, I am just copying the content because we need the same 2 columns in the second row too. So in the row 2, column 1 and row 2, column 2. Like this, we need to create a structure. So you can just see that in the table tag, this is the main tag, table tag to create a table. This is the tag which is required to create a row on the table. So this is tr tag used to create rows, tr for the first row. Just refer this structure. So just refer this structure. First row, this column, this particular column is row 1, column 1. So the first row is containing 2 columns, and again the second row is containing 2 columns. You can see. So we will get this structure, but I am just telling you one thing, that we will not get the exact structure right away. Just hold for few seconds. Let's run the code and then you will feel the difference. Now I am running this code with a browser. You can choose your favorite browser. So here you can see the thing I was making was something like this. But we get this. Why? Because there is an attribute, as I told you before, that we will not get the exact output. So this is a table, but the thing is that there is an attribute called border. As we can see very clearly, when I created this table in the Microsoft Word, it meant a table with border, but when I am creating a table on a Brave browser, for the web browser or a web page, then I have to define the border. So there is an attribute border. Let's say 2 pixel. You can give your choice. So here, just now you can see this is the table. So you can just change the width as per the requirement, like 2 pixel, 1 pixel, to increase or decrease the border size. And now we can clearly see that here is a table with 2 rows and 2 columns respectively. There are multiple attributes and multiple properties, different interesting properties of table. It is not the exact or the complete thing. This is the table which we have created right now, but there are multiple different properties and interesting concepts in the table topic. So we will discuss those topics in further videos. I hope you like this video. Please press the like button, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.